What is second equation of motion and how to derive second equation of motion? Welcome to my new video. In this video we'll derive second equation of motion by using graphs. We have already discussed first equation of motion in previous video. If you haven't seen it, make sure to watch that video before. For the derivation of the second equation of motion, consider the same variables that were used for derivation of the first equation of motion. We'll find the total distance under graph to derive the expression. Total distance is equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Let it is equation 1. Now first let's find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. In graph, length is OA and width is OD. So, area of rectangle is equal to OA multiplied by OD. OA is equal to VI, OD is equal to T. Putting values, so we'll get area of rectangle is equal to VIT. Now we'll find the area of triangle, which is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. From graph, base is AC and height is BC. So area of triangle will be 1 by 2 AC multiplied by BC. And from graph, AC is equal to T, BC is equal to AT, so 1 by 2 T multiplied by AT. And area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 AT squared. Now putting area of rectangle and area of triangle in equation 1, we get S is equal to VIT plus 1 by 2 AT squared. This is second equation of motion. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.